What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name is Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and we got some plays for you today in NFL. So yesterday we smacked college football. We hit this nice little 25x with USC, Illinois, and Miami with their quarterback and top receiver there. Hit that one for a nice little 25x. We also hit this 25x with Illinois, Iowa State, and TCU for a nice 25x. And then we hit this one as well. It should have been at 25x. Tez Johnson would have hit. He voided out, so it ended up being a 10x for a 5-man with Oregon, Iowa State, and TCU. Hoover and Beck came through huge for us late in that game and really carried us to a massive day yesterday. So we got some good plays for us in the NFL today. We got some on Chalkboard, Sleeper, BETR, and on Dabble. So make sure you stick around all the way until the end and make sure to lock these in. So if you guys use the code Hoover over on the NFL VIP Pass, that's going to get you 50% off for the first 10 users. So go over there. It's normally $50. You can get in on it with code Hoover for $25 today and go lock all these plays in. So the first one is we're going over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, go over there and use the code 907 Fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 welcome bonus. They have a 6-pack discount for college or for NFL, and then they've also discounted, I believe it's 9 other players between NBA, soccer, hockey. So they have a lot of discounted and boosted props over there. But we're taking Kyrie Irving to hit 1 3-pointer tonight. And then we're matching that up with Saquon Barkley over 70 rushing yards, and then Derrick Henry over 80 rushing yards. So that's the first one over on Chalkboard. Second one over on Chalkboard is Brandon Ingram to hit 1 3-pointer tonight. And then we're matching that up with a little double stack in this early game between Dallas and Atlanta. Both Kirk Cousins and Dak Prescott to throw 2 touchdown passes. And then CeeDee Lamb over 70 receiving yards and Drake London over 50 receiving yards. So that one is a nice little one over on Chalkboard. Those are the first 2 over on Chalkboard. So next up, we're going over on Sleeper Fantasy. They've discounted Jahmyr Gibbs today to 52 rushing yards. So we're taking Jahmyr Gibbs over 52 rushing yards. Once again, if you use the code 907 Fantasy over there, they're going to match your deposit up to $100. So if you put $100 in, you're going to have $200 to go play with. So go ahead and take advantage of that. We're taking Jahmyr Gibbs over 52 rushing yards, matching that up with Justin Jefferson, A.J. Brown, and CeeDee Lamb, all over 75 receiving yards, turning 10 into 46-10 there. So nice little 4.6x there. That's the free pick over on Sleeper Fantasy. Now, next one is over on BetterPicks. If you guys are new to BETR, that's Jake Paul's app. Go over there, use the code 907 Fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $200 deposit match. So if you put in 200, they're going to give you 400. If you put in 10, they're going to give you, 20? Something like that. So you're going to have a nice little fresh deposit there. So this first one is we're going CeeDee Lamb over 88 receiving yards. Matthew Stafford over 2 passing touchdowns. Puka Nacua over 66 receiving yards. And then Hunter Henry over 39 receiving yards. That's the first one over there. It's going to be, I hedged all these, so it's 1.5x to I believe it's a 10x on these. But then the next one is Joe Burrow over 260 passing. Zay Flowers over 51 receiving. Saquon Barkley over 108 rushing plus receiving. And then Terry McLaurin over 63 receiving yards. Lastly, this one is a discounted prop over on BETR. It's the Lamar Jackson over 237 passing plus rushing yards going against Denver today. Baltimore is favored by 9 in this one. So I love this line for him. We're going Puka Nacua over 7.5 targets. He's been a killer for the Rams since he got back last week, and he's been the best wide receiver for them. Cooper Kupp just hasn't panned out to be super great for him so far. And then we're taking Kyle Pitts over 48 receiving yards. Josh Downs over 65 receiving yards. So 10 into 50 there if they all hit, or 10 into 15 if we go 3 for 4 there. So that is the free picks for Sleeper, Chalkboard, and for BETR. Like I said, if you guys want all of the plays today, all the plays for VIP, that's going to be over here on the Winible. It's winible.com/907fantasy sports. Go over there, get signed up for the NFL pass. Use the code Hoover. That's going to get you 50% off of the pass today. So lastly, we're going over to Dabble. Dabble is by far my favorite app right now. Like, they are the easiest to profit on. They are the easiest to play on. And then they also have like the highest payouts. So I love this app. And the best part about them is you don't even have to put any money in. You don't have to put any credit card information in, no payment information. You just sign up with code 907fantasy. They're going to give you a completely free $25. They're doing that because they know that you're going to love the app so much that you're just going to continue to play with them. So they're going to give you $25 to go ahead and start playing with. So go ahead, get signed up over there with Dabble. Use the code 907fantasy. They're going to give you $25, and then you can go play with these 3 plays over on Dabble today without even putting any of your own money in. So first one is we're going David Njoku and Jameis Winston over their passing and receiving. And then we're going Jaden Daniels and Terry McLaurin over their passing and receiving as well for a nice little 5X there. Next one is we're going for a 25X here. We're going Flacco and Downs over passing and receiving. And then we're going Justin Jefferson and Sam Darnold over passing and receiving. And Winston and Njoku over their passing and receiving as well. And that one is going to be a 25X over on Dabble. So I love that one. Lastly, we're going back to Nakua over his receiving, Stafford over his passing, Darnold over his passing, and Justin Jefferson over his receiving for a nice 4-man for 5X payout there. So those are all the free plays today. That was what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 free plays for you today. So don't ever say I don't give you some free plays. So all these have already been sent out on the Winible. It's winible.com/907fantasy sports. You can go over there, get signed up for the free plan. And then you're going to get all these sent over to you directly each and every day. And then when I do these videos, you'll also be able to lock them in. But we got some good games today. I'm loving the Cowboys-Falcons game. That's going to be a good one. Atlanta's favored by 3.5 there, but should be a good one. And then the sneaky one, I think the Patriots-Titan game could be good. Both teams are not good in general. So it could be a pretty good game there, or it could just be a complete disaster. So loving a few of these games though. And we got some good duos, some good matchups today. So we're going to go out and profit. If you guys want the VIP pass, it's over there on the Winible. Get signed up with code Hoover and get 50% off of that. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you're going to be tailing me on any of these, all the links to all the plays are going to be down in the description below. Both to Winnable, BETR, Chalkboard, Sleeper, Dabble. All those are going to be down in the description below. So go ahead, use the code 907fantasy on all of those. Get signed up and go and get some free money to go start playing with today. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day and go cash some of these plays. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.